Uh-oh. Option A, eating 5 candy bars before dinner. Or option B, munching on a crunchy red apple first. Pick option A or option B. Time's up. The right answer is option B, munching on a crunchy red apple first. Good job. What should I do when lining up? Option A, push to the front of the line to be first. Or option B, walk quietly in line with hands to yourself. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, walk quietly in line. Great job. What should I do in class? Option A, shout out the answer while the teacher is talking. Or option B, raise your hand quietly and wait to be called on. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, raise your hand quietly. Awesome job. What should I do when I want to play? Option A, grab a toy out of a friend's hands. Or option B, wait for your turn or ask nicely. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, ask nicely and wait for your turn. You did great. What happens when you pick a snack? Option A, feel sick from too much sugar. Or option B, feel healthy and happy with balanced snacks. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, feel healthy and happy with balanced snacks. Wonderful job. What should I do when feeling angry or frustrated? Option A, stomp your feet and scream at your friend. Or option B, take a deep breath and use your words. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, take a deep breath and use your words. Fantastic job. What should I do on a nature walk? Option A, trample flowers to catch things. Or option B, stay on the path and observe. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, stay on the path and observe. Great job. What should I do when I see animals outdoors? Option A, shout loudly at the animals. Or option B, use quiet observation to not disturb nature. Time's up! The correct answer is option B, use quiet observation. You're doing amazing. What should I do with my trash outside? Option A, throw your trash on the ground. Or option B, pack it in, pack it out, and keep nature clean. Time's up. The correct answer is option B, pack it out and keep nature clean. Super job! What should I do when talking in the Learning Center? Time's up. Your correct option is option B. Use an inside voice. Good job! What should I do with my trash outside? Option A. Throw your trash on the ground. Or option B. Pack it in, pack it out, and keep nature clean. Time's up! The correct answer is option B. Pack it out and keep nature clean. Super job! What should I do with my learning materials? Time's up! Your correct option is option B. Treat materials gently. Good job!